Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing the Paris bow by Maisie Moo. Show you that. Again, I have hot glue strings ready. I outlined the heart shape in rhinestones. You don't have to. I just found that this wasn't making this like little kiss print stand out as much. So I really wanted it to stand out and give some separation. So I added some rhinestones around it, and I actually think it really does make it pop. But you don't have to. I will show you how to do it at the end of the video though. Here you go. What you are going to need for this is obviously your scissors, your hot glue gun, the materials of your choice, whether it be faux leather or glitter canvas, and you are going to need the template. Let's just go over the pieces really quick. The center wrap, you have 2 heart pieces that will be cut out of a contrasting pattern than what your loop is, which is this. And these are your spikes. They look like 4 little heart pieces together. So these are the pieces we are going to be working with. I have pre-cut all of my material. Let me get that out of the way. So, and the clip that I am using today is a 3-inch alligator, as you can see. Helpful but not needed is an orange stick that you can use to scrape out any glue that seeps out. But these are the pieces we are working with today. All right. Those are the pieces we are working with today. We are going to get started. First, put the loop to the side. You guys know I always put the clip on these spikes before I do anything else. It's just a lot easier to do it at the very beginning. This is a little bit of a tight squeeze with the clip, but I used a smaller clip last time and I really didn't like the way it worked, so I ended up having to take it off and replace it, and I found that these clips work better like this size. So you're going to want to clean up any glue seepage that you've got. Make sure to get it really good, because any glue that's not where it's supposed to be is going to stick out like a sore thumb. And we want to make these as pretty as possible, especially if you are selling these. If it's just for your daughter, granddaughter, niece, whatever, it may not matter as much to you, but it's still nice to look good. You're going to add the center wrap inside the clip. Again, it's so much easier to do now when it's just the spikes. I have a hot glue bit right in there that doesn't want to come out. It's annoying me. All right. So center wrap is in. We're going to put that off to the side. This is where we come back to, don't worry if you can see the marks on the back, they're going to get covered up. You are going to take your glue gun. Hopefully yours looks a little bit better than mine. Mine has seen some things. I would recommend only gluing half of the heart down to begin with. It's really hard to get a precision amount of exactly how much you're going to need. So you're going to have some seepage. Luckily this time I didn't get it on the front. That's why I recommend doing half at the time. Because if you put too much down, it will seep out the front, and then it gets to be a hot mess. All right. And then just glue the other half down. It's fraying a little bit here, so I'm going to grab my lighter and just run it over that to clean that up a little bit. You have to be really careful because you don't want to melt the faux leather underneath of it. So that is, oops, we have a little bit of seepage there. And again, if you have seepage in the front, take care of it the same way you take care of it around the clip in the back. Just use the orange stick and gently scrape it away. I also use my lighter to try to heat it up. I tend to do smaller, quicker strokes in the front so that I don't damage the material. All right, so that's the first one in. I'm going to turn around and do the seconds. And just like before, a little bit of glue. Glue down 1/2 at a time. Just give gentle pats so that everything sticks. And it leaked to the front. We'll take care of that at the end. Usually when it sticks to your craft mat, it's an indication that the glue has leaked out the front. So try to put the barest amount of hot glue that you can. I need to sharpen these scissors. They keep cutting this glitter canvas and fraying, so that's usually when you need to sharpen your scissors, when you notice that the glitter canvas is fraying when you're cutting it. Because good glitter canvas won't do that. Or at least not in my experience. If anybody has experience with glitter canvas fraying, please comment below. Let me know what you do to stop it. I would really honestly be interested in that, because I don't have, not all of my glitter canvas is good quality. Some of it's cheaper stuff that I bought in the beginning, and I'd like to try to make that stuff work as best as possible. So that is the loop once we've glued the little hearts inside the cutouts. And then we're just going to treat this like any other French bow and glue tabs to the center. It's going to feel a little awkward because you have double layer in some spots, but you just got to work around it. Alright, I'm just going to push down in the center so that everything sticks. That's the loop. And I do the line a little bit longer here especially if you're using a floppier material with a sturdier base. It just gives the loop a little bit more stability. If you're dragging the glue line out farther, you're going to want to stick your finger inside the loop just to push down to make sure that everything sticks. And then wrap the center. I chose red for the heart because it was in the loop material. You know, the color was there, but where I wanted this mostly pink, I wanted something that would stand out. So I went with the accent color of red. Cut off any excess that you have from the center wrap. And there you go. This is the Paris bow. You can leave it as this. You don't need to do anything else to it. It looks great the way it is, honestly. But if you are like me and have a deep obsession with everything bling and rhinestones, you have a supply of rhinestones in your your crafting room. So all you would do would be to take some of your rhinestones. I will link these rhinestones and these little dishes down below, as well as my rhinestone picker tool. I love this tool. Honestly, I could not recommend putting rhinestones onto a bow without something like this. And all I use to glue down the rhinestones is E6. Sorry, I don't know why my camera stopped recording there, but little tubes of E6000. That's all I use. And you run the E6000 along the top and then just gently place the rhinestones down. Granted, there's no glue there, so it's a little harder. But you just line around the opening with E6000 and then add glue to it. I probably would not put red with this just because red's it's not going to stand out against the heart, and you really want it to pop. Much like I did with the other one, which I will show you. Red is in there, but it's not the color of the heart, so you want another accent color to just make it pop. This one I would probably add a pink around it, honestly. But this is the Paris bow right here. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below in the comment section. If you like this video, please click the like button. The share button's right next to it if you want to share it to somebody you think might like it. If you're not subscribed to this channel already, oops, sorry, hit that with my leg. If you're not subscribed to this channel already, why not, first off? Second off, please click the subscribe button. Next to it is a bell button. Click that. Set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video, which is once a week now. Supplies will be down in the description box. If you have any requests, please comment down below or send me a message on our Instagram. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next time with another of our Valentine's Day bows. This is another one by Maisie Moo. It's the Amour Valentine's Day bow. I do not have one of these because I sold it in my Valentine's Day live sale. So I do apologize for that. Not appreciate. Do apologize for that. But we will put it together next week. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next week. Bye.